Hey guys, it was a pretty busy day of trading today. Wanted to break down my trades today. I had four separate trades, went 3 for 4. So I'll break down the trades one by one. I'll probably end up just creating separate videos for each. Um, I'll give an overall view of the market, and then I'll just kind of break the trades down one by one, and just put up separate videos. That way, the video is not like half an hour long. Um, so once again, uh, let's start off with the market. Market overall, right, has been strong as of late. The only lag has really been in the tech sector. Tech sector has been strong, but just not as strong as the SPY, right? So like the NQ futures haven't been strong as YM. You can definitely see that here on the charts. ES was looking pretty strong, but we started hitting some resistance today. Um, and then you can see the NQ was starting to breach that 200 day, came up above the 200 day, and then I started to come back down. And you can see YM definitely looked a little bit stronger than the NQ, and the VIX was kind of starting to get down towards key resistance, or sorry, a key support level. And now it's down near that support level. It's kind of starting to base, so we'll see what's going to happen here. If you look at the SPY and the Q, so the SPY and the Q looks like pretty strong yesterday, and then today we open lower. So we'll see what's going to happen. It kind of looks like the SPY and the Q really are kind of both set up in a hanging man formation. So we may have lower lows going into the rest of the week, but anything's possible. We'll see. We'll see how things play out. Um, so my first trade here I wanted to review was MU. So let's bring up MU. So MU was a call out in the group, and but the reason why I traded it was because MU was actually in a squeeze, and as you guys know, I like to trade squeezes. So let's first start off with the daily for MU. Definitely opened well above that 200 day and at 21, and it had bullish divergence. So I really was expecting MU to kind of take off, towards at least towards this $92 level for MU. Uh, so let's go into the 5 minute chart. Oops, sorry. Pull up my other chart here. So you can see here, um, MU is in that 5 minute squeeze, right? And I ended up buying MU about right here, right as it was breaking out of the 5 minute squeeze, and I ended up selling. So I just played this one candle, and it was about an 8% return. And once again, when that stock's breaking out of the squeeze, those premiums, right, are kind of asleep, and then they start waking up. So you can get a pretty quick return once it's breaking out of that squeeze. So entry was about right here, like I said, around 85.17, exited around 80, 85, 89. Now the reason why I exited is if you look back at pre-market, really MU shot up here the prior day, and it just kind of started basing throughout the rest of the aftermarket, and then pre-market it actually kind of came back down towards this intraday level of $83. So price action really was pretty sloppy. I really like to see when a stock goes up. I would have liked to have seen MU base here, not go down, but just base the whole time and then continue up. If you get a stock that's like that coming out of a squeeze, you have a way more powerful move. But MU came down, then squeezed. So I wasn't necessarily sold on this squeeze breaking out like crazy from the get go. Plus, when it got up towards that 86.23 ish range, and really a little bit lower than that, when it got up towards 80, that about $86, you can kind of started to see here. Um, you had a ton of volume. Oops, sorry. You had a ton of volume coming in right here, And then that volume really started decreasing as I was in the squeeze, which isn't another good sign. And then as it broke out here, we had to squeeze. And on the breakout, we should have had a lot more volume, which we didn't. So that was another signal for me to be like, you know what? I don't think this is gonna move a ton. Plus, we were kind of at that pre-market resistance level where there was a ton of action right at that level. So I decided to get out. And the lucky thing is I did is because this was basically a great Harimi, bearish Harimi setup, right? Candle goes up. This is considered the mother candle. And then this is the baby candle since it stayed within that larger candle close. That means basically buyers is losing power. It didn't go any higher, didn't close any higher. And then we just have that sell off, right? Because came up here, opened here, peaked up above, didn't go any higher, closed, and then just had a complete sell off. So it really was a perfect setup. I mean, it was a good setup for puts, but I did get in and out for a quick 8% return on MU there. So with that being said, hopefully you guys traded well today and you grew your account, mitigated risk, and only took A+ setups. Once again, if you want me to review any stocks, hit your boy up. If you have any questions or concerns or any comments, you know what to do. And please like and subscribe. Definitely trying to grow the channel. And I will talk with you guys later.